Alright, I was finished and headed home today. I'm actually not on call today, and one of my guys called and he's working on a friend's unit and asked if I had a puller and if I could get his fan blade, help him get it loose or whatever. And I said, nope, ain't got no puller, but I'll get it off. So we got a few of our toys here. We're gonna get this blade off for him and get on out of here. All right, he tapped on it a little bit. That's all right. He just tapped it a little and mushroomed it up. We'll get it. Dang, that's an old motor. Got a little shaft play. Might have to hold this. Just hold the motor. Careful not to let the blade get bent up. Alright, that got the mushroom off. Where did it go? She was a little bit mushroomed up. Okay, and the Sawzall roughs it up a little bit too. All right, set bolt off. Jack of all sprays. Okay. First thing we want to do is try to tap it down a little bit. Sure doesn't. Huh? No, it might go through that, but I don't know if I want to booger up your socket or not. That thing don't want to move.
Hold that socket while you hit it.
Nah, if that don't move it, it ain't gonna move from a tap. Yeah, see now we got a little spray. When we did that, see it coming up? So that's a little more promising. if any of these bits are any good. You don't want to bend that. What this is doing, years ago I thought that was relieving pressure by taking some of the center of the shaft out.
Yeah.
But what it's actually doing, and that's why I'm not spraying it, it's actually heating up the shaft and making it expand, which should knock it loose. So it trashes the bit, but it heats up the shaft without, see, that blade is hot as fire. Heats up the shaft without warping it because you're not using a torch.
Yeah.
So we're not heating the hub, we're heating the shaft. Hoping that it'll expand out and break itself loose and then cool back down and pop out. I know it's hot. And that helps a lot right there. Heat that bad boy up. And I got a little bit off center, so I'm not gonna have, you don't want to hit the hub, so I'm not gonna have a lot of room to keep going. Pretty good. This will fit or not. See if you can hold that up. She's warm. Not by the blades, just by the hub. Well, now if we can get our bit out, we don't need no stinking puller.
Man, what the play?
Look how old that motor is. Good Lord, look at that motor. That's an old motor. That's back when they made motors to last. That's why I ain't got no puller. Those are yours.
Yeah. Well, you probably need them. You the one that does all the pulling. Huh?
Right. That's why I don't use no pullers. It ain't no fun.
Us young bucks don't know them little
Old man tricks.
Yeah,
Old man tricks right there. Well, you know it now.
I know it now. Man.
Sat there and watched it happen.
I would have never thought about that.
Well, if you try to heat that up with a torch, you'll just warp your blade.
Yeah.
But if you let the shaft heat up, it spreads and then it cools down and it's broken itself loose. And that right there is the trick. Drive it right out of there. I usually have a bit that's smooth, but I can't find it right now.